Oh yeah, another thunderstorm and heavy rain. Look at this. It is right now Wednesday, August 14th, 2024. 4:57 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. Check this out, guys. We got a rainstorm. Actually, I should say a thunderstorm. And just coming days after that record rainfall that led to extensive flooding here in the Montreal region. Well, we got some hail falling, guys. We got hail falling. I don't know if you can see it bouncing off of the ground, but there's some hail mixed in with this rain. Okay, so right now it is 4:59 p.m. Eastern Canadian time, Wednesday, August the 14th, 2024. And yeah, look at that. You can actually see the boundary of this cell. We're gonna go probably to fire station 25. Maybe we'll get a response and we'll also have some shelter. But look at this, it's like a lake here on St. Catherine Street. Right, so there you can kind of make out the edge of that cumulonimbus cloud, but look at this, we even have some scud cloud over here where Montréal is. So scud cloud is low-hanging cloud that's separate from the main cell or the main storm cloud. You can see that above Montréal. That's scud cloud right there. Thanks to Travis in the West Island for telling me that. Yeah, we got some lightning now. There's your thunder. So at least a few times a year I'm filming a thunderstorm around here. It's usually right after work, and I like to go in front of fire station 25 and see if we can get a response, whether it's for flooding or lightning strikes or whatever. And we got some shelter here as well, so let's go over and take a look. Alright, so it is now 5:06 p.m. Eastern Canadian time, Wednesday, August 14th, 2024. And you can hear that thunder echoing as this cell moves. I think it's moving towards the west, more or less. So now that the rain has calmed down, we can venture out a little more, away from the shelter, and keep an eye up above for lightning strikes. And you can see the boundary of where this cell is. Look at that, we got some clear skies over Montreal. In fact, we can even see a tiny bit of blue in the distance. Oh, we even have some more dark clouds right over here as well. To our, I guess you could say, southeast. So when I was checking the radar before, the storm cell was moving into the east end of Montreal, sort of moving in a southwest direction towards the downtown core. More of a west rather than southwest direction. Look at that, eh? And you can hear continuous thunder roaring. Try to go to a slightly quieter street here. Take a look towards the west now, see what it looks like. Yeah, so even towards the west, looks relatively clear if you really zoom in there. You kind of see the edge there. So I think the cell is right here above us. You can see it down there as well. Oh, what do we got going on down there? It looks like maybe a protest or something. Check that out later. I just stepped in a puddle. But yeah, look at the clear skies down there way in the west. So if we focus on the building here, we can see the cloud direction. Looks like it's moving in, basically, I'll show you here. Looks like it's moving in this direction. So more of a southerly direction now. But strangely enough, this cloud here looks like it's moving towards us. So maybe we got a bit of rotation going on up there. Let's go down to Montreal Canadiens Avenue, or Avenue Canadienne de Montréal, where the Bell Center is. Take a look what we could see. I'll zoom in here, show you the sky. Again, very clear down there towards Montreal, towards the south. But here's where the action is. I was debating going on the REM, filming a thunderstorm from the REM. It is one of my goals eventually, but save that for another day. Alright, I'll resume recording in a moment. Alright, so it looks like the storm activity has moved out, but we're still under a severe thunderstorm watch as of now. And it's 5:14 p.m. 5:14 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. So, alright guys, have a good night, good day wherever you are. More documenting to come.